Hey, good afternoon everybody. This is John again from Volkswagen Planet, and today I'm hanging out with little Lucy. And today I got another question about some parts that I recently found in a little parts bucket. These look like some brackets of some sort, or maybe a hold down. These came out of a bin of brackets and nuts and bolts and washers out of my 1968 Auto Stick. This car has been down for 15 years roughly. In and out of a couple body shops, so I really don't know what these belong to, or if they even belong to the Auto Stick. But if you guys know what these belong to, please comment below. Like I said, they may not even belong to this car, so I don't know. Figured if you guys may know, I could only find 4. They look like they all belong to the same thing. They could be more. They could be a couple sets. I really don't know. And I want to say thank you guys for all the comments left on the last video about that bracket. I've really come to think that goes to the actuator, that controls the Auto Stick, one of the parts of that, the functions of the Auto Stick. So I want to say thank you guys for that. So if you know what this belongs to, again, comment below. It's really a basic little bracket or a hold down. The only thing, it's got a little hole here, which I don't know what that could go for. And like I said, this may or may not belong to the car. This is obviously was red, but my car is blue, and these kind of look like they could have been blue. Like I said, I don't know if 1 goes to the car, 2, 4. I really don't know. So if you guys know, like I said, comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting, and I'll let you guys know what the census is on the next video. You guys take care, as always. God bless you, and have a good day.